Hello, Cotton Cuts enthusiasts. Thank you so much for joining us for this video. We are so excited to be able to open our Rosa's Holiday Your Way Notions gift box with you. We love putting together these things every year and being able to bring you things from all over the world, from lots of different places, from companies big and small. So what we're going to do is spend the next several days opening these boxes. We're going to show you each item and what's inside and why it's cool and special. However, if you have received one of them and you haven't opened these items yet, please, please, please stop your video now. Stop it, hit the pause button, close it, because I am going to be spoiling what is inside of these boxes. So this is what the box looks like, guys. If you do not want to see the contents, please stop the video, shut down YouTube, close all your notifications. We are going to take one video at a time and go through each item. So this is your final warning. All right, so now that you have been warned, we're going to open our next item from our Notions box. So this one has a super cute little sticker on it that says, "Keep it together." And so, I mean, that's a common kind of phrase, to keep things together. As I do the Christmas Kid Squish test, I feel like it's kind of soft, but it does make sound. So it makes me think that there's some hardware inside. I know my children are a big fan of like shaking the box just to check to see if it's got Legos in it. This one sounds like it has hardware inside of it. All right, so as we open this one up, my box tour, I see something in a very, very pretty color of purple and pink. And so what this actually is this is a Tula Pink zipper, and I believe it is about 36 inches long. So we gave you a nice long piece of zipper. It has the signature Tula Pink purple and pink, but that's not it. Because I mean, what good is a yard of zipper without actual zipper pulls? So what we included inside of it are the new Tula Pink hardware from Sally Tomato. So Sally Tomato is a hardware manufacturer, and they've recently partnered with Tula Pink to bring you zipper pulls and zipper hardware. And so we've included 3 in here. So that way, in case you want to take this yard of zipper and cut it into smaller pieces, you can definitely add the zipper pulls and get 3 separate zippers out of this full length. It's going to be a lot of fun. I actually received a project with this type of zipper on it, and it just brings me such joy every time I zip it and then I pull it to keep it together. And so, yeah, this is a lot of fun, guys. We cannot wait to see how you put this in your future project. Hey, so now that you've seen what's inside of it, if you want to see what else we have, be sure to check our other videos on this channel. We're going to do 1 item per video. It was so much fun sharing all of this with you and why these are some of our favorite things from this year. So if you're interested in learning more about Cotton Cuts, simply go to cottoncuts.com to learn about all the crazy and cool things that we do throughout the year, more than just delivering cool notions to our people. We have our Puzzle Mystery Quilt program. We have all of our fabric memberships, all of our thread memberships. We do special programs throughout the year. So you are definitely going to want to like and subscribe this video in order to stay up to speed with all the new and awesome things happening at Cotton Cuts. Thank you so much for watching this, and bye now.